trying to create confusions that people may not understand the consequences of bringing Jana Lokpal. But we do understand and we do believe that Jana Lokpal will certainly bring a positive change in India. We don't like, people here abroad, we don't love to leave our country. We don't love to leave our beloved ones back there at home and travel here abroad. But talent is leaving country because they don't want to. They don't want to deal with day-to-day corruption. They don't want to deal with the discomfort and with the complication that comes with corruption. When they have opportunity abroad to give better life to their families. So please government, please listen to this. Please stop corruption. And we all support Jan Lokpal bill. अभी हमने तिरंगा हाथ में लिया है, वापस नहीं हटेंगे. जब तक जन लोकपाल नहीं आता है, हम लड़ते रहेंगे.
I am coming from India. In 6 months I have been completed here and I am thinking to go back very shortly. I am find here the gathering of for the purpose of the cause of the what Indian people are facing particularly at present, that is corruption. And I am very much glad to see these people are united for the fighting against the corruption. Our support for Annaji is what is happening in India in respect to the corruption. We are fighting against the corruption because of our future, totally Indian future. We should unitedly decide we should also not involved in the corruption also. That is our part. Our younger generation should be united about it, should not be involved in the corruption. And we should not be a part of the corruption. And wherever we find the corruption, we have to start our protest and small groups should be united. And we go there and sit there and show our solidarity so that corruption will be removed from the beginning also. That is the requirement now. After taking action, we forget it. And the corruption will again small level is going on. We should not think. We think of that way. Wherever your friends and colleagues are staying at Gujarat or India or wherever you united there. Small groups should be united. And whenever the one person tell me there is a corruption, then we should unitedly move there. And we stop the corruption, that it is a real help to the Annaji. And that we should read.
That's the nth we require. That's the nth we need.
That is the requirement.
That's the requirement.
Really, I see it. Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Bharat Mata ki Jai! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Bharat Mata ki Jai!
You are a good leadership skill. Yeah.
Definitely, we are
Madam was saying something.
Yeah. And one more point is like we are electing the government, so we should have the fundamental right to remove them from that post. If they are not performing well, we should have that. We should have that. Yeah, they are on the post. Yeah.
I just want to hear it once for Anna Hazare. Very good. Okay, now I want you are your citizen.
Yeah, but even my people are there in India. I want that they should be also better off by removing this corruption and all. That's why I'm supporting.
Absolutely. The reason he is supporting and that gentleman there is supporting and we all are supporting is whether we stay in India, US, UK, Canada, wherever, Dil hai Hindustani. Yes. We are still Indians. In our heart, we are still Indians. And that's what matters. Yes. Now, the second thing, we are here, we are settled here. Why are we coming here? Why are we leaving our beloved India if we love it so much that few thousand miles away, we are still united, we are still marching and putting slogans and creating billboards all over. Why are we doing that?